you can see, my nails are all over the place. And the reason for that is because while I'm taking notes with my right hand, these nails have time to dry, but these ones don't, so they always get smudged, so I ended up taking it off, and then I had time to like redo it for the video, so just like bear with me.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna and today I'm going to be doing a Vsco birthday box. Essentially what's happening in today's video is it is my friend Christine's birthday tomorrow. It is like a national holiday.
Everyone needs to know it's Christine's birthday.
How do you not know that? How do you
not know that?
So basically it's going to be how I planned the gifts, how I went about the gifts, and then how I decorated them. And I have put them all in one nice aesthetically pleasing looking box. I really want it to look nice. I've been planning this for such a long time that it has to come out the way that I envision it. And if it doesn't,
I'll probably cry.
So let's get into the video. I actually went to Sephora, but I didn't film that part because I felt so awkward. So basically I just got her a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is in their original shade Fenty Glow. So I remember she was telling me that she actually really wanted to try it. So I just got her that. And then from Dollarama, I got her a yellow box. This is the only one they had because they were closing down. And it says congratulations, but it's going to be completely covered with photos that I print out of us and our friends. So I'm just going to cover the entire thing with that. And then what I'm hoping to do is on the inside of this panel, I'm going to cover the entire backboard with pictures and little post-its that all of our friends wrote her. Thanks guys. I'm also going to attach my envelope or like my birthday card in the center here, so then like when she's opening it, it'll be like right there. And then I have a fluffy headband. I remember I was wearing one and I snapped her and she's like, it's actually really cute, and you use it just like when you're sleeping or like when you're doing your makeup or you're just like washing your face and you just need your hair out of the way. So I actually really like them. It's really comfortable. I got this from Miniso, I think. This is the screen cleaner that I was talking about earlier. The packaging is not necessarily yellow. I was trying to get everything to be yellow because that's our favorite color, but it was kind of hard. So it's basically like you can like wipe down your keyboard with it. So I got that for Christine because she loves cleaning. And then I bought a multi-pack of Lindor, but I only took out the yellow ones because she loves white chocolate and the packaging is yellow, so it just fits perfectly. And then on top of that, I have all the things from Shoppers Drug Mart and Dollarama. This is just the tissue paper that I'm going to be using to decorate the inside of the box. And then I have all the snacks inside that you guys saw earlier. I didn't mention that I also got her a high chew from the same store as where I got the Pusha Pusha or the instant noodles from. But I basically just got her a high chew because like this is like
An Asian snack. Christine and I bond over Asian snacks.
And I also got her Halls because Christine is like
Mother.
Like she is like the mother of all of our friends, and it is yellow. Like everything else. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna write little notes on each item that I got her, or just like the bigger ones, just so like it's like a little reminder of like why I got her what I did, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna first do the screen cleaner, and I'm just gonna just write it really quickly. Okay, well this pen doesn't work. So now let's put the box together. put the lip balm and the Fenty lip gloss balm in the corner right there. I'll put the chocolate in the center. And the phone case will go there, and then I'll put the high chew and the hulls in the corner here. I think that's it. I think I'm gonna leave it like this.
So I was just placing the laptop cleaner straight into the box in the original box that it came in, and it wasn't really going with the rest of the box. It just wasn't matching the aesthetic, so I ended up wrapping it in some tissue paper and tying it off with some ribbon so it would just at least be cohesive with the rest of the box.
Step to like really pull the entire box together was I just wrapped it in some clear like wrapping paper. You use it for basket wrap and for flowers, so I just had that lying around the house, and it was like so coincidental because it was clear and then it had the yellow droplets on top as well, so it was just like a perfect match. And then I just tied it all off with some ribbon, and then I brought it to school the next day. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and make sure to comment happy birthday to Christine, and I'll see you guys in the next video.